father got this attack since he was suffering from high blood pressure. So my mom was there. He just vomited and he was out. He didn't know anything. And then when I came back, the physician came home and he said probably he's suffering from stroke.
Post stroke, I had very bad pain in my shoulder, very stiff pain. That's resolved now. The stroke happened in Spain about a year ago.
2 weeks when he came home, his BP was totally under control with his medicines and all, but his physical ability to walk and everything was totally gone. He was lying in one place and it was very difficult for me and my mom to handle him because even his alertness was not as good as before, you know.
I've heard some reviews about Physioline, and they have got a lot of machines, latest machines from all over the world.
He said when he was discharged from the hospital, the doctor said that he needs good physiotherapy, and the physiotherapy that was there in the hospital was not that good. They were giving physiotherapy for around 15 minutes to half an hour, which was minimal. It was not really, when I saw him walking and all, he was putting a lot of pressure. He had lost his independence totally. So when he came home, I searched on the internet, I asked some of my friends and they suggested me that you should consult Dr. Sanjay Bakshi at Physioline. I think they will be of great help to you. So
I'm from Zambia, Central Africa. I had this condition in 2008 after undergoing an aneurysm operation. In November, I developed left side hemiplegia.
Bridget Patil, she is my wife, Manjushri Patil. She got brain stroke, that is thalamus infarct, on 30th October 2009. The main cause was the long time anemia. Due to that, she lost her both eyes, gripping power, and she can't able to walk also.
From 2008 in November, I underwent physiotherapy in Zambia for almost a year. Now the physiotherapy I was undergoing in Zambia, the progress was very slow. The physiotherapy that I was undergoing was very slow. So I decided to just research on the internet and see what other alternatives there were out there. That's how I came across Physioline, and from the time I started communicating with Dr. Bakshi, he offered me a bit of hope and the combination therapy that he was offering. And in deciding to come to India, I thought it was worth trying rather than just sitting at home and doing the same physio. That whatever little progress I would gain still would be good enough for me to build on. So when I came to Dr. Bakshi's place, I was really very unable to do most of the things. My leg was very spastic, my arm was very spastic, but now I have seen the changes. From the time I came, it's been over a month up to now when this treatment has come to an end. There have been some good changes. And
everything was according to what was said, and after whatever has happened today, my dad is back to what he was, and I'm really happy about it.
Even मुझे जो अनुभव हुआ उसमें संजय बख्शी बहुत ही मेहनत किया। एज पर डेट वाइज जो इम्प्रूवमेंट होते गया, इसके लिए मैं बहुत ही आभारी हूँ।
My experience at Physioline has been very pleasant. One thing I can say is that in other centers you find that the main consultant is not involved in your treatment, but at Physioline you find that the main consultant, the doctor himself, is actually involved, has been involved with my treatment from the beginning. In all the sessions, he is the one who has been attending to me, and the people around here are very courteous and very helpful. All our needs have been taken care of, and we tried as much as possible. They tried as much as possible to make our stay comfortable here.
इनको बहुत ही ठीक है, इनकी जो हालत थी और अब वो चल फिर सकते हैं, मैं इस बात की खुशी।
We joined Physioline before 2 months, but we got very good results from Physioline, and we are really happy.
On the internet, and started my treatment at Physioline, and it's gone brilliant. And I got very nice treatment from doctor. I'm very happy with the treatment that I've received at Physioline.
Yes, very happy with the treatment protocols, and plus there was a lot of human factor also involved. It was just not machines. It was like my dad, when he came, he was not physically stable as to, he used to vomit a lot and all. So, you know, even as a doctor, Dr. Sanjay Bakshi helped a lot, like you can give him electrolytes or whatever. And he told us that you can call me any hour of the day if you have any problems. So it was just not the machine part that my 2.5 hours are over, so this is it, now please don't disturb me after that. It was like, you know, we can tell him anytime, anywhere, like, you know, this is the problem we are having. So we had a total support after the hospital.
Physioline is very good center for treatment.
Oh yes, I'm happy with the treatment I received at Physioline. Now I'm thinking of coming back again. Experience was very good, and I received a very good treatment from the doctors who works here.
I wish I could have stayed longer, because I know that if the treatment had gone on for 3 months, I think the results would have been even better. But because the timing, I could only come for 1 month. If at all I have an opportunity to come back, I think I will still come back, and I would recommend anybody that has undergone this condition to try out this combination therapy. I think it offers hope to those people that are living out there with such a condition. It's something that is not very labor intensive, because it uses equipment and all, but it's worth trying for anyone.